Assalamualaikum दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है ज़हीर भट्टी. Today we're gonna talk about salary of an international student in USA और किस किस्म की jobs आप कर सकते हैं as a international students यहाँ अमेरिका में. सबसे पहले तो there are couple of types of employment opportunities for an international student. There are two types of employment opportunities for an international student. The first one is on-campus employment. The second one is off-campus employment. On-campus employment में क्या क्या आता है? On-campus employment में आता है teaching assistant, research assistant, graduate assistant, रेजिडेंट असिस्टेंट और फ्रीलांसर वर्क. टीचिंग असिस्टेंट में क्या होता है? अगर आप पहले साल में हैं, अगर आप F1 वीज़ा पे हैं तो पहले साल आप ऑफ कैंपस काम नहीं कर सकते. सो यू कैन नॉट वर्क ऑफ कैंपस इफ़ यू आर इन योर फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ स्कूल. सो ऑन कैंपस में एज ए टीचर असिस्टेंट you must have a grade A in that subject, and what you're gonna do, you have to develop the assignments, quizzes and exams for the teacher. और इसके अलावा आपको स्टूडेंट्स की पेपर्स को ग्रेड करना होता है और स्टडी ग्रुप्स को होस्ट करना होता है. उसकी रेंज होती है $7 to $10 जो आपको मिलते हैं पर आवर. सेकेंड नंबर है रिसर्च असिस्टेंट. जैसा कि नाम से ही ज़ाहिर है, रिसर्च असिस्टेंस में आपको रिसर्च करनी होती है और आपको असिस्ट करना होता है प्रोफेसर को. बेनिफिट्स ये हैं कि योर ट्यूशन विल बी वेव्ड एंड यू विल गेट अ मंथली स्टाइपेंड, but for that you should have your publication as well. It is definitely better than teacher assistant, and you need research experience which is required for this job. The third one is graduate assistant. ग्रेजुएट असिस्टेंस का मतलब ये है कि आपकी ट्यूशन फ़ी और आपको मंथली आपकी ट्यूशन फ़ी वेव्ड होगी एंड यू विल गेट अ मंथली स्टाइपेंड. व्हाट आर यू गोना डू in this job? You have to conduct monthly labs, you have to protect and grade the exams as well, you have to conduct office hours every week, and for this job you need experience and you need communication skills. The fourth job you can do on campus as a resident director. Yes, resident director का मतलब है कि अगर आप कैंपस में रहते हैं, so you can be a link between management and between the campus students. Is literally called RA, resident assistant. So आपकी tuition fees भी waive हो जाती है and you will get a monthly stipend as well. The other work you can do on campus is called freelance work. It's kind of gray area कि बहुत सारे लोगों को ये लगता है कि अगर हम फ्रीलांस वर्क करेंगे तो जो इनकम शो होगी आपके अकाउंट में इस कंसिडर इलीगल, बट इट्स काइंड ऑफ ग्रे एरिया. यू कैन स्टार्ट अ व्लॉग, you can start a YouTube channel, or you can apply for different internet jobs. US has a huge job market. It always required people and it is open for everybody. If you are on F1 visa, you cannot work off campus in your first year, so you have to work on campus. So first, all these jobs you can do on campus. You can work restaurants on campus, dining halls, library, gyms, and as I mentioned, lab assistants. They are considered legal. So इसका मतलब हुआ कि आप किसी भी वेयर हाउस में या डंकन डोनट्स पे या किसी भी गैस स्टेशन पे काम नहीं कर सकते लीगली. आपको ये जॉब्स कैसे हासिल करनी होंगी? यू हैव टू कॉल टू द इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट सर्विस सेंटर and tell them I want this job, so they will put you in their list. So as soon as any new jobs will come, they will contact you and you can easily get this job. But make sure you have to apply as soon as possible. You can work in library, you can work in gym, you can be a teacher assistant, you can be a resident assistant, you can be a research assistant. So now we're gonna talk about the off-campus jobs and international students can do while they are here in USA. So ऑफ कैंपस जॉब में सबसे पहली बात है कि आपको एक साल का इंतज़ार करना पड़ेगा. आफ्टर 1 year you can apply for the CPT, which is curriculum practical training. So once you apply to CPT, you can easily get a job. Most of the time people ask me how many hours you can work while you are international students. So if you are a full-time employee, you can work up to 40 hours, and it all depends on your college and your university. So how much you can earn while you work on campus part-time, or you can work full-time. So it all depends. If you are working on campus, it depends, and it depends on your state and your college. So the minimum wage in US right now is different in each states. For example, in New York, the minimum range is $12 right now, but it varies from different states and different location. If you are in another state, it might be more than that. So typically it ranges from $7 to $25, but it does not mean you cannot earn more than that. If you have experience and you have skills, you can make as much as you want. So now we're gonna talk about the job scenarios, how you can get those jobs. For example, when I came to USA, my first job was in a library. So I have to assist the students in library, have to find the books, have to tell them how you can do your research while you're in a library. So it all depends where you located. So my first job was almost like $7. One more thing, the most important thing, if you are international students, आपकी सैलरी डिडक्शन भी होगी. सो टैक्स डिडक्शन जो है, it depends on the state you are. Each state have their own tax laws. So but you don't have to worry about that, because you have to file your taxes at the end of the year. If you are working off campus after 1 year, you can only work related to your field. For example, if you are a math major, you can only work on math problems. You can do research on math, and you can work different kind of companies who are solving problems. For example, if you are a political science major or IT major, you have to work only on in those major related fields, and you can easily make money up to $25 per hour. The best scenario would be if you got an internship, or you can get a research assistant. So this is the only two scenario you can make good money. अगर आपको internship मिल जाती है, तो आप वहाँ पर easily like $12 to $25 earn कर सकते हैं. और as I said, research assistant is one of the most high paying jobs on campus. So I hope you like this video. Comment below if you want any information related to salary, related to employment opportunities, related to what kind of jobs and international students can do while they are on campus. So thank you so much. Stay blessed. Hope you have a great day. Allah Hafiz.